Here are the top 10 things that you should be buying at Trader Joe's this month. Strap on your seatbelt. We're going for a fun ride. In our number 10 spot, we have the delicious oldie but goodie chocolate chunk cookies, priced at $4.49. They are soft, they are gooey, they are delicious, they are not too sweet, which means that you could eat more than one in one setting of this 8-count pack, a real step up from your standard chip. They also have these sea salt chocolate chunk cookies, priced at $3.99. There are 3 in a count. These felt a bit harder, which is not my preference, but I wanted to offer both alternatives to you just in case. By the way, this is a great Valentine's gift idea paired with flowers. Nothing like a pre-lunch snack, if you know what I mean. Yes, look at that. Gorgeous. Yep, ooey gooey. Delicious. In our number 9 spot is this pancake bread. I almost missed this because it was located on the bottom shelf of my Trader Joe's. This is priced at $4.49. It's a twist on buttermilk short stack baked into a sweet, moist loaf. I cannot wait to try this. Well, while we're at it, a second post-workout snack. Crumbly, yet moist. This is good. It reminds me of a coffee cake. I don't love the crumbly texture. However, it probably would help if I was not savage and digging my fork in it, but I like it. All right, I would not call this pancake bread, but I would call it like a pancake crumble cake. Now there's a name. In our number 8 spot, we have focaccia bread. This always looks so delicious, but I have a difficult time pulling the trigger on it. But not today, my friend. I went all in. These are priced anywhere from $4.49 to $4.99. French onion and caramelized onions. You could also get the cheddar jalapeno pull-apart bread, not focaccia, but very similar, or the roasted tomato and parmesan focaccia bread. This is going to be so delicious with a nice warm cup of soup on a cold winter day. This smells so good. We are carb loading today, my friend. Hoo hoo hoo! Now we're cooking. I have to say the bread is very tasty. It reminds me of a French onion soup, and then paired with this roasted red pepper soup. Delish. Oh, and dipping. Now we're talking. In our number 7 spot, we have these beautiful looking raspberry mousse cakes priced at $3.99. There are 6 in a count. I've never tried these before. They looked very festive. This would also make for a great gift idea for a teacher, a loved one, a son, daughter, basically anybody. They look so sweet and delicious, not overpowering. You could probably eat the whole pack in one sitting. Let's give them a shot. Let's go ahead and give these a whirl, a little post-workout snack. So cute and pretty. Have a bite. Okay, I'm officially in love. This reminds me of something. I can't put my finger on it. Like a Little Debbie snack cake. This is good. In our number 6 spot is one of my favorites, the tomato and roasted red pepper soup. I stock up on this every winter. It is absolutely delicious. The best soup. Priced at $3.49. Feels like a steal of a deal. There are 4 servings in one container. However, I tend to eat 2 in one sitting. 5 grams of protein per serving, so it makes you feel a little bit better about your food choices. But why not warm up on a cold winter day with a bowl of soup and some delicious focaccia bread or grilled cheese sandwich? That works too. In our number 5 spot, we have the buttermilk protein-packed pancake mix, priced at $3.99. I almost drove my cart right past this because I don't know about you, but the Kodiak protein pancakes are absolutely disgusting. Not a fan in my home. But this, I'll give it a whirl. Just add water. You can also make waffles with this mix if you prefer. It has 10 grams of protein per serving, so I got excited. And let's see what the crowd says. I have to say these are better than the Kodiak pancakes, so I will give these a 7 out of 10. In our number 4 spot, let's shift gears here for just a moment for something a little bit healthier, these mini cucumbers. Now the reason I highlight these here at Trader Joe's is because Target is almost always out of them when I try to do a grocery pickup. Never fails. Trader Joe's has them for a great price at $2.49. You get 7 in a pack. This is a great mini snack to have on hand, so rather than opting for the chocolate chip cookie pre-lunch like I did, grab yourself a handful of mini cucumbers to satiate your stomach. In our number 3 spot is a new Trader Joe's item. It's these triple ginger pretzels. I've never seen this combination before, but I got very excited and quite intrigued. Teeny tiny pretzels covered in ginger candy coating for just $2.99. If you are a fan of the pretzel and the ginger, let us know if you've tried these in that comments box below. In our number 2 spot, it is another Trader Joe's item. It's the assorted chocolate palette for $9.99. In this palette, you get 24 pieces of chocolate goodness ranging from dark chocolate, milk chocolate, praline bars, vanilla bars, all the goodies. Again, a great Valentine's Day gift. Grab yourself 2 bars, which is equal to 1 serving, or have 4, 5, or 6, whatever your stomach desires. Pair this with a nice bouquet of flowers and you have just made your loved one smile. And in our number 1 spot, it's only fitting for this time of year, grab your flowers from Trader Joe's. Yes, they have prices like none other. You can get a dozen of beautiful roses for $9.99. Heck, if you wanted to really bundle this baby and give your loved one the most beautiful bouquet, you could get 3 dozen of these. They have white, yellow, red, pink, orange. They also have these beautiful petite bouquets priced at just $3.99. If you want to be a little bit more non-traditional when it comes to the Valentine's Day season. I always love getting flowers from Trader Joe's. They have the best variety available. Also, they have some beautiful tulips. The possibilities are endless. Now, if you're wondering the top 10 things that you should be buying at the Dollar Tree this month, click the video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.